Hello.
Okay, so today we are going to be learning about how to say colors in Japanese.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
How do you say red in Japanese?
It is aka.
Aka.
Aka, yeah.
Okay, how do you say blue in Japanese?
Blue is ao.
Ao.
Ao, yeah.
Ao.
Ao.
Okay. How do you say orange?
Orange is orange. It's kind of the same way, like orange.
Okay. Orange. Okay, how do you say white in Japanese?
White is shiro.
Shiro.
Shiro is white.
Shiro.
Shiro, yeah.
Okay, how do you say black in Japanese?
Black is kuro.
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 Kuro, yeah.
Okay. How do you say yellow in Japanese?
Yellow is kiro. Kiiro.
Kiro.
Mhm.
Okay, how do you say purple in Japanese?
Purple is murasaki.
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 Murasaki. How do you say pink in Japanese?
Pink is pink.
Pink.
That's the same way, yeah. As like orange, like pink is pink in Japanese.
Okay, how do you say brown in Japanese?
Brown is chairo.
Tairo.
Chairo. Mhm.
How do you say green in Japanese?
Green is midori.
Midori.
Midori, yes.
Midori.
Midori.
How do you say gray?
Green.
Gray.
Gray
Gray.
is hairo.
Hai.
Hairo.
Haido.
Mhm.
Haido. Okay. Alright, how do you say what color do you like?
What color do you like? どんな色が好きですか?
You have to go slower.
Okay. Okay, so it's like どんな色が好きですか? It's like what color do you like? So どんな
Donna.
色が
Iroga.
好きですか?
Ski desu ka?
Mhm.
Donga.
どんな
Donna.
Yeah, どんな is what?
Donna.
Then 色が is like
色が
color. And 好きですか is do you like?
Ski desu ka?
Mhm.
Okay, what
So
color do you
what
like?
color do you like is どんな色が好きですか? So if you remember this sentence, you can change to another sentence like you're asking like what restaurant do you like is どんなレストランが好きですか? Or どんな食べ物 is like food, like どんな食べ物が好きですか is like what food do you like? So it's really usual, yeah, very useful sentence.
Donna.
どんな
Donna. Ski desu ka?
Yeah. You should like put something like
Oh,
between どんな and 好
What's
きですか?
color again? I forgot.
どんな色が
Iroga. Iroga.
色が
Donna. Iroga. Ski desu ka?
うん
Donna. Iroga.
好き
Ski
ですか?
desu ka? Okay,
It's
what
great.
color do you like? Okay, how do you say I like
うん
blue?
青色が好きです
Arrow.
青色青が好きです
Ao.
青が
Ao ga
好
suki
きで
desu.
す
Ao ga suki desu.
うん
Okay,
So 青が is like blue and 好きです is I like.
suki desu.
So you can change 青が part, so like ピンクが好きです
Okay, so in English you say I like and then the color, but in Japanese it's the color and then I like.
That's right.
Okay, so ao
青が
ga suki desu
好き
ka?
です好きですか is you asking, like if you put like か like end of the sentence, it means like you're asking. So 青が好きです is I like blue. And but if you say 青が好きですか it means like do you like blue?
Oh. Ao ga suki desu.
Yeah, that's saying like I like blue.
Okay. I was gonna ask you what color do you like, but I forgot. Nano.
どんな
Suki desu ka?
Yeah. You should put like
な
色が
何の色が好きですか？何の色が好きですか？
So I'm saying like 青色が好きです。So 青が好きです。
What color is that? Pink?
ピンクが好きです。
Okay. Alright, so do you have anything else to add to colors?
Alright, so there's one thing you need to know. So color is really easy to say in Japanese, even if you're like foreigner, because even if you say yellow, people like Japanese people understand like yellow, like blue, pink, red, gray, green, brown. Like Japanese people know how to say that in English. So I don't think like you can either say like yellow or like kiro in like that means yellow in Japanese, but people can understand like both ways, yellow and kiro.
Okay. Alright, so thank you. I think that's it for this week's lesson on colors. I'll see you next time.
See you. Bye.